Diplomatic ties between Malaysia and the DPRK began in 1973. The DPRK opened an embassy in Kuala Lumpur and Malaysia opened an embassy in Pyongyang in 2003. 6 years later, Malaysia became the first country to be granted visa-free travel to the DPRK. The two sides have also enjoyed growing economic ties, with Pyongyang importing refined oil, natural rubber, and palm oil from Malaysia, and Malaysian businesses importing coal and iron ore from the DPRK. But the alleged murder of the DPRK leader's half-brother Kim Jong Nam has hurt relations. Last month, Malaysia recalled its ambassador from Pyongyang after the DPRK accused Malaysian officials of conducting a biased and politically motivated investigation into Kim's death.